Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Chaudhary. I'm a geriatric pharmacist, a cannabis educator, and the founder of a CBD company called Dr. Peace Lily. And a question that I often get asked is CBD addicting? And I want to address that today. So the answer to that question is no, CBD is not addicting. And a lot of the times when I'm talking to patients or my customers, they will confuse THC with CBD because THC is actually addicting, but CBD is not. And the reason behind that, and if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Substances that are typically addicting, they do cause a high. It does have an intoxicating effect, like THC or alcohol or opioids and other drugs that are out there. But with CBD not causing any type of, of an high effect or intoxicating effect, it's not addicting for that simple fact. The other thing that I love about CBD is that CBD can actually help you if you are struggling with addiction with other substances. In the recent years, there has been several studies that have come out, and these studies were done on humans and animals. And basically the studies have shown that CBD inhibits drug-seeking behaviors, and it decreases cravings that sometimes people can get triggered by with drug cues, and it can decrease anxiety that patients might feel when they are struggling with an addiction. And so some of the studies that were done recently, one of them was done with people that were struggling with alcohol, and there was two different groups. One group received CBD and the other group did not, and they did the study to see how many glasses of alcohol both of the groups would consume. And so the group that was receiving CBD, they ended up consuming less glasses of alcohol, which is super cool. My other favorite thing about CBD is that because it's not addicting, you can take it as often as you want. You can either take it every day, which I do recommend to get the most benefits, or you can take it as needed and you don't have to worry about withdrawal effects or side effects when you stop taking it. With our traditional medications, especially if we're talking about sleep medications, or if we're talking about medications for anxiety or depression, those medications, if you stop taking it all of a sudden, you will have withdrawal effects, you will have side effects, and you cannot just stop taking it. You have to slowly taper off of your medication. But with CBD, you can take it for years and years. And if you decide you want to stop taking it, or if you can't afford it, you can just stop and nothing will happen. And I had this very similar experience recently because I've been taking CBD personally for my mood and for sleep for the last 4 years. And then a few months ago, I visited South Korea and I didn't have any access to CBD on my trip. And so I stopped taking it cold turkey out of nowhere. And I didn't have any issues. I was able to still sleep. My mood was fine. I didn't have any withdrawal effects, which is really cool. So if you guys are thinking about, starting CBD or incorporating it into your routine, know that you can stop taking it whenever you want. Know that it's not going to be addicting. Your body will not crave it, and it is very safe. So if you guys have any questions for me regarding CBD, please let me know. Or if you want to check out any products, you can go on my website, which is drpeace, PEACELILY.com, and check out my products.